Good afternoon, all of you. Today, I would like to explain about supernetting. What is meant by supernetting? Definition: joining two or more networks to form a larger network according to user requirement is known as supernetting. Supernetting means opposite of subnetting. In subnetting, large network can be divided into smaller networks. In supernetting, smaller networks can be combined into larger network. Dividing a dividing two or more joining two or more networks to form a larger network according to user requirement is known as supernetting. Benefits of supernetting: what are the benefits of supernetting? Reduce the burden of routers. Router contains routing table information. If the network has if the network has more if more networks are there, more nodes are available, then router has a burden. Then dividing two or more networks to form a larger network according to user requirement is known as supernetting. Benefits of supernetting: reduce the burden of routers. Subnet versus supernetting. Supernetting means taking the bits from network part. In supernetting, taking the bits from the network part. In subnetting, taking the bits from host part. In subnetting, taking the bits from host part in subnetting. In class C, if subnet mask is given as 255.255.252.0, then calculate the number of networks that can be joined. Here class C subnet mask is given, then calculate number of networks that can be joined. How many networks can be joined? Solution: convert the given subnet mask into binary form. It is a class C. It has given that it is a class C. In class C, 3 bytes are used for net ID. In third octet, 2 zeros are there. So 2 power 2 equal to 4. 4 networks can be joined. Rules of supernetting. What are the rules of supernetting? The networks that should be joined to form a supernetwork must be continuous. The networks that should be joined to form a supernetwork must be continuous. 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 Here, like continuous means like this: 192.1.2.0, 192.1.3.0, 192.1.4.0, 192.1.5.0. The above addresses are continuous. Not continuous means 192.1.2.0, 192.1.3.0, 192.1.6.0, 192.1.5.0. The above are not continuous. We can join only power of two networks to form a super network. We can join only power of two networks to form a super network. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. The only power of two networks can be joined. Two networks can be joined, four networks can be joined, 8 networks can be joined, 16 networks can be joined, 32 networks can be joined. Only power of two networks can be joined. The last rule is the first address of a super network. The first address of a super network should be exactly divisible by the number of addresses in a block. The first address of a super network should be exactly divisible by the number of addresses in a block. If I have a network like this, 192.1.2.0, this is the first address of this network. Here, 4 blocks are there: B1, B2, B3, B4. These 4 block addresses can exactly these 4 block addresses. The first address can be divisible by these 4 block addresses. Thank you.